you how to connect with them. You can see our aerator system includes 3 parts. One is for air compressor, diffuser, and weighted sinking house. Okay, let me show you our air compressor firstly. You can see our air compressor assembly well with a power supply plug. It can be customized according to your requirements. This is for the capacitor. This is for the pressure gauge, air flow cord, safety valve, and our air compressor with a rubber feet. If you assembly with rubber feet, when the machine working, it will not move. And it also can reduce the vibration. It's for the intake air filter. With the air filter, it can reduce the noise and filter the dust into the pumps. You can see like this. You can see we have the 2 types of sinking house. Because the air compressor airflow is very big, if we connect with the hard sinking house, the sinking house is very easy to break after use a long period of time. So we need a softer sinking house to at the position.
If you are interested in our pump and leak aerator system, please contact with us Friday. We are waiting for you. See you next time.